Have you ever heard of Seti I, also known as Seti I, was a pharaoh of the 19th dynasty of Egypt. He reigned from approximately 1290 to 1279 BCE. The reign of Seti I marked a period of great revival and renaissance for Egypt, characterized by military success, extensive architectural achievements, and a profound cultural renaissance. This video will take you through the life of this remarkable pharaoh, his numerous accomplishments, and the enduring monuments that continue to tell his story. Seti I ascended to the throne during a period of political instability. He quickly established his rule by asserting dominance over restive territories and launching campaigns to reclaim lost lands. His military campaigns were decisive and far-reaching. He led successful expeditions into Canaan, Syria, and Libya, securing Egypt's borders and restoring its influence over adjacent regions. These campaigns not only solidified Egypt's control, but also enhanced its wealth and resources through tributes extracted from conquered territories. One of Seti I's most significant achievements was his contribution to architecture and monumental construction. He commissioned numerous temples, monuments, and buildings, which were characterized by their grandeur and elaborate designs. The most notable among these is the Temple of Seti I at Abydos. This temple is renowned for its exquisite reliefs and the Abydos king list, which enumerates the pharaohs of Egypt. Another architectural masterpiece attributed to Seti I is the hypostyle hall in the Temple of Karnak. This hall is famed for its massive columns, intricately adorned with depictions of the pharaoh's military victories and deities. The artistry and architectural sophistication evident in these constructions affirms Seti I's dedication to glorifying the Egyptian gods and his own reign. Seti I also undertook significant projects aimed at bolstering Egypt's infrastructure. He restored and expanded the canal linking the Nile River to the Red Sea, thus facilitating trade and military expeditions. Additionally, he strengthened the central administration, ensuring an efficient governance system that could oversee the expansive realm. The cultural renaissance during Seti I's reign was marked by a revival of traditional art forms and religious practices. He played a critical role in restoring the reverence for the ancient deities, and many of his constructions were dedicated to them. The mortuary temple at Abydos, for instance, was dedicated to Osiris, the god of the afterlife, underscoring Seti's devotion to religious traditions. Seti I's legacy is largely preserved through the monuments he left behind. These constructions are not merely remnants of a bygone era, but are treasure troves of historical, cultural, and religious significance.